What is up, guys? Dallas here. We are back with another video for you guys today, and it is a very exciting video for you and I. So we just took delivery yesterday to one giant box. One giant box. So big, now I have pretty much no access in my garage at all. But yes, we were still able to have my wife's car and my truck in the garage, but the third car portion is pretty much filled up. But very excited. Shout out to my new partner for this video and for my truck build. It is a very special partner, and we will get back to exactly who that is. But thank you guys. Before we dive into that big box that I want to show you guys, I just want to take a look and appreciate what our truck looks like. It is naked. There's lots of things that we can do. It needs some armor. It needs a lot of things. But yeah, here she is. She fits like a glove. We kind of made some room up front, and we have tons of room in the back. But here she is. She is naked. Just got a roof rack, and with our storage boxes from Zarges, we have our Sigma X5 pod lights. If you guys want the discount, look down in the description. I'll hook you guys up. You guys save some money. We got our roof rack by up top. We get our Nitto Trail Grapplers 38, 13.5 R17s, and then we have our Lock off-road wheels in that polished finish. So as you can see, we got no bed rack, we got no nothing. But let's dive in. Let's dive in. I've been waiting for this for a while. Let's close that garage. Since it is winter time, we got a garage heater. We've been waiting for this box for about 3 months now. We had to special order this, and we got the email last week saying it was on its way, or actually the beginning of this week, and then it showed up in about 2-3 days. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we're working with. I've already unwrapped it because I was so excited, and I wanted to show you guys exactly what it looks like. But first, before we begin that, showing you that big present of mine, since it is holiday season, I wanted to pretty much shout out the wrapping that was done for this packaging. It came on a freight truck and pretty dang big. So let's turn around, take a look at that. Jesus. We got a big giant box in our garage. We already got the wrapping off, but look how big that is. What do you think that is? It's so freaking huge. Now my pathway to go out of my garage is blocked. No stack. Can't stack anything. But all right. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's reveal it. Oh! All right, you guys ready? I'm turning it around. Look at that. Finally. You guys don't even know what it is. And for some of you guys who know, you know. But I just want to give pretty much a shout out to this company for top-notch securing up, my new part. Look at that. You got spray foam everywhere. It was a top-notch packaging, I gotta say. Nothing damaged at all. Came in all one piece. You guys ready for it? Boom! Shout out to my new partners, C4 Fabrication. We finally got a full-size bumper. That's what I'm talking about. A full-size bumper, baby. Oh my God. Full-size bumper. We finally got a full-size bumper. And it is the front bumper. So we got a full-size front bumper. So that boring front end of my pickup is going to be no more. As you see, I do have it here at my house, and I'm debating if I install it myself or if I take it to my good friends down in Denver at R4T. But I've been wanting to try and install something that I think I can do, and I have no clue yet. I am still debating on this. I would like to try and install it myself. But at the same time, I want to leave it to the professionals. So definitely still pondering on it. I wasn't expecting it. I mean, I was expecting it. They told me 3 months, 2 to 3 months. I've been waiting on this. And didn't decide. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. If I'm gonna install it myself, or if I can have my good friends at R4T do it. But guys, it's finally here. I've been waiting on this. I don't know if I'm gonna unwrap it for you guys for this video, but I just want to show you guys pretty much the packing job that C4 Fabrication did for us. It got here from Chandler, Arizona to Colorado. I'm pretty excited. You got some parts right there. You got some other miscellaneous parts right here. They did a fantastic job on getting this wrapped and shipped and delivered to my address. So pretty stoked on it. We are pretty pumped on it. Having a full-size bumper. I've never had a full-size bumper on any vehicle I've owned, or a bumper, an aftermarket bumper at all. So definitely excited for this. We're going to be getting it. I hope I can get it on in December, or maybe into January. Honestly, I'd like to get it on as soon as possible, so it's not taking all this real estate up in my garage. But oh my god! But if you guys haven't seen it, take a look at my truck. Look at that. We got no bed rack. We got no tent on, so we have a clean slate right now. And since it's winter time, I just wanted to take off some stuff, and then just pretty much appreciate just the truck itself with nothing on. We have our tonneau cover on it, of course. As you can see, the truck does sit a little higher than normal. I have upgraded rear coils in the back, a medium-low Davidsons. If you can see right there, so it's prepping us to have some weight. So we have a nice little rake here, so it doesn't look terrible at all. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. But I guess I'm gonna call it there at the video. I'm gonna wait and pretty much wait for me to install it to maybe make another video, of course. I just really wanted to make a video about finally getting our full-size front bumper by C4 in. I'm not going to tell you guys what bumper it is yet until we either make the video of us unwrapping it and putting it on, depending if I'm going to do it or not. But I'll save that for the next video. But yeah, we finally took ownership of our bumper, our full-size front bumper. It's going to look so sick on our truck. Really, really, really stoked to have it. And shout out to C4 Fabrication. Definitely appreciate you guys. You guys really wanted your bumper on our truck, and I definitely appreciated that. I wanted this bumper as long as I've had a Toyota, which is a while. So I wanted it on my 2.5 Gen Tacoma a few years ago, and then I wanted it on my 4Runner that I had a few years ago as well. And we are finally able to get it on our 2023 Toyota Tundra. I am not getting rid of this thing at all. It's paid off, and now we're gonna go spend our money on making some other modifications to it. So shout out to C4 Fabrication. We really look forward to this partnership with each other, and we can't wait to get on maybe a rear bumper, because I don't want to get rear-ended. I need some armor to protect my vehicle. Now that we have it paid off, I have to protect this truck at all costs. All cost. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Definitely appreciate you guys. Stay tuned for the next one, I guess. We're out.